Bonjour. Before starting the budget, your hotel company will send you the guidelines for achieving it. These guidelines will give you information on the market, the vision of the company and the vision of your brand for next year, as well as the general strategic objectives and the more specific objectives, which will often be reflected in part of your bonus objectives. For example, on CSR objectives, CSR for Corporate Social Responsibility, a very current subject at the time I made this video. Therefore, CSR objectives such as the elimination of single-use plastic or the reduction of food waste. This can also be in the field of human resources with the global deployment of specific training for all employees or the deployment of new concepts in food and beverage. Finally, the guidelines will tell you mandatory expenses to include in your P&L for next year. This could be, for example, the mandatory move to a cloud PMS system and no longer on a local server, the purchase of a new human resources software, anticipated the cost of future travel for regional or global meetings for the general manager and certain department heads, and many other recommendations. I am showing you the guidelines that I received to prepare my budget for the year 2024. This document is 22 pages long, but it can go up to several dozen pages. Two people are mainly affected by these guidelines, the general manager and the director of finance, so it is very important for them to read them very carefully. However, these guidelines are of course important for department heads, and I would advise each general manager to set aside time with their entire team to make them aware of these guidelines and to explain the company's strategy for the following year. In the next video, we will see the top lines.